Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to this Friday. Welcome to this Friday. Welcome to this Friday. Good afternoon from here. Greetings and greetings and greetings and greetings. Today, I am waiting and I am on my way to the office of the President of Finland. Today, I am going to officially communicate to the office of the President of Finland. Pastor, I'm going to communicate officially today. Today, I will communicate Biafra officially to the President of Finland. The 24th day of September 2021. You are going to hear from me in a few minutes' time. So, we are taking the, it is step by step. It is step by step. We will do everything for Biafra freedom. We will do everything to preserve the life of people in Biafra land. So, you will be hearing from us step by step. So today, officially, the office of the President of Finland will receive a notification, official communication from me about Biafra. And I will post maybe something about the communication, but it is going to be almost 100 pages with annexes. That's how we do it. We don't talk. When we want to talk, we talk. When we want to do work, we do work. So, just to inform you, I'm just waiting here, and in a few minutes' time, I will be at the office of the President of Finland. Yes. And this communication, this official communication, will be dropped there, and we continue. The next place will be the Prime Minister of Finland. We are going to the highest. We start from the highest down to the lowest. You, Ada Alina, you, kiitos. Naila evailla mennään. Kyllä. All right, so you are going to hear from me in a few minutes' time. In a few minutes' time, when I am done from the office of the President of Finland, you are going to hear from me. And we know the poor crowd. We don't go with crowd. I am just waiting for one of our brother, to come and witness how it goes. All right. So thank you all. And this evening we will continue from where we stopped yesterday. Biafra will get freedom, and nothing is going to stop Biafra. So what we are doing now is that the head of state, ministers, congressmen, senators all over the world will begin to know what is going on in Nigeria. And when we finish with that, we will step into the second phase of Biafra. Okay? So it is step by step. Any chapter we open for you, you will read. Any chapter we open, you will read. Okay? Mm-hmm. You know, I told you people that it is not just about about Facebook. For those who say he's just a broadcaster, it is not just about Facebook ranting. Okay? Mm-hmm. It is not just about Facebook broadcasting. And remember that I said after this COVID-19, we will know how we are going to do it. And COVID-19 seems to have, you know, the situation is better now. So it is time to go to work. And now that work have resumed today. The diplomatic work have started, like I promised Biafrans, that we are going to start diplomatic work. And I am starting the diplomatic work from the highest office. From the highest office. Of course, apart from what have happened in the past, what we are doing and what we have done, you know, it has now become imperative for this communication to open. So the communication is opening today with the office of the President of Finland. So, Jesiano Basozia, that's how we do it. Once this our brother come, so he will come to witness how we do it. Once this brother come now, I will take him, we will head to the office of the President. Thank you, and see you immediately after that. And then also wait for our broadcast this evening. That's how we do it. Happy weekend, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Share the video and let them understand that we are serious, okay? Let them understand that we are serious and we are damn serious. Thank you very much.